your behavior, but also your parents, so nature affects behavior because of the genes and the traits that you inherit from your parents. Like I know I'm very similar to my mom, for example.
So, do you ever wonder what really makes you who you are? What makes you behave and act a certain way? Our world today has the most complex society, but psychology talks about one specific topic: nature and nurture. It's a universal topic that everybody has their own opinion on. Do our innate biological traits determine who we are as a person? Yes. But doesn't our environment and social surroundings determine who we are as well? Yes. That's why some people think it's nature. Some people think it's nurture. If we think about it, with the knowledge of psychology, it's clear to see that it's a combination of both, a theory that psychologists and other researchers have concluded. Genetics determine our traits, such as our eye color, hair color, body shape, complexion, smile. But what is not realized by many people is that our experiences and environment alter the majority of someone's development, personality, and behavior. How? Well, if you think of it, a newborn baby will cry as an instinct, with no knowledge of the world surrounding them yet. But as they grow, they quickly adapt to what they become familiar to. Being nurtured. As they develop over the years, they become exposed to different things. As they learn to act and behave a certain way, socialize a certain way, and adapt to society. Don't fully understand yet? We all experience things. We will cry when we see something sad. We will smile when we achieve something. We will laugh when something is funny. We become afraid when we experience fear. And we get happy when we do something we love. This is nurture. Overall, you as a person will never change.
Drink some margaritas by the blue lights. Listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Are you with me?